My daughter, everything is in the hands of the gods.
Mama, why are the gods this wicked and partial in their decisions? They make some people happy and well, living in peace and prosperity, while others live in lack, sorrows, tears. Why, Mama?
It is predestination, my daughter. Some people are destined to be kings, while others are destined to be slaves. Some are destined to be rich in kettles and yams, while others are destined to be poor, to live in abject poverty.
Why is it so? Mama, can't the gods make everyone to live happily? Everyone to be rich? No one has to beg anyone for anything. Then they want to be a better place, Mama. Why?
The gods of creation know why it is so. Everyone has to accept his or her destiny with faith. Because no matter how hard you try, my daughter, you will never change your destiny.
Yes, my daughter. That's part of you, Mama. I don't believe. Telling me that we'll remain like this for the rest of our lives makes it worse. Mama, the gods can't be this heartless. They should have feelings for humans that are suffering, Mama.
My daughter. My daughter. We are destined to be poor. We are destined to be like this. And we can never change our destiny. That is so, my daughter. So. It's okay.
I'm fine. I was on my way to your hut. My mother sent me to you.
I hope everything is alright.
My mother said I should come and inquire if there's anything I can do for you, like fetching water. Since the planting season is gone, everybody now awaits to harvest.
But my son-in-law sent in some slaves to help me with the house chores. So I don't think I have anything for you to do.
Anything. Even if it's sweeping your compound, washing your clothes, anything. We haven't eaten today, we don't have anything to eat, and there is no hope for us. And we do I can sweep, I will do anything.
I don't have anything for you to do. Hey.
I can sweep, I can even wash your clothes, anything.
Sorry. Okay, let's go to my house. Let me see what I can do for you. Okay, you're welcome. How is your mother? Manage this abasha with your mother.
Thank you. You're welcome. May the gods bless you abundantly.
Amen.
Thank you.
All right. But please, bring back my plates. Udo. All right. My regards to your mother.
Thank you. Mama.
Eh? What is it?
Mama. Mama, it worked.
It worked?
Mama, it worked.
Hey.
It worked. It worked.
She gave you food?
Yes.
Hey.
Mama, I asked her for what to do for her. She said no. That some slaves was sent to her by her in-laws. That Udo's husband have done everything for her.
Huh?
But she can help her with food. Mama, it worked.
And she gave you this food?
It worked.
Oh! Because of our land. I thank you. I thank you, gods of our land. At least we have something to eat today. Hey! We have something to eat today. Come inside. Gods of our land, though. Hey! It's been 4 days and 4 nights my co-wife put to bed. And I have not gone to to see her and to say welcome to the newborn baby.
But Adaku knows that my late father did not leave any farmland for us. No pantry, no okwa tree. She knows we barely survive through doing menial jobs. And sometimes, such jobs are scarce. Like now, there is no job anywhere. Yet, she still finds it very hard, at least to help us. When she knows that our husband, my father's elder brother, took away all their father's land.
Why are you recounting all that, my daughter? Eh?
Mama, Adaku and her people don't have our interest at heart. We better stay on our own.
Have we not been staying on our own?
But Mama, you say you want to go and see the new baby?
Yes, I want to go and see the new baby because the new baby did not offend me in any way. He should not suffer for the sins of his parents. So, I cannot hold anything against Nwabiarowa. I must go and say welcome to him.
Okay.
You know there? Yeah.
And where you are going?
Oh.
Go where though?
Igwe, please do something. Please, Igwe.
Adaku Osugo, how are you sure she was the one that bewitched your son?
Igwe, our son was very healthy. He wasn't having any form of illness. He was strong and very vibrant. Until that old witch killed my son!
Yes,
she killed my son.
Yes, Igwe. I'm very sure she's a witch. Since 4 days ago, I put to bed. She has not come to see me. It's today that she came and carried my baby in her arms. Few hours after she left, how can my baby die? Igwe.
In as much as your story is believable, I hope you realize that any witch spotted in this kingdom at any given time has just one judgment: death.
Yes, we are very.
And if anyone found accusing an innocent person of witchcraft, that same person also faces the same judgment: death. I haven't reminded you of the consequences of your action. Will you two prefer to go home, bury your dead child, and forget about this matter? Or do you still want to continue with your allegation? Then I would suggest you go home and bury your dead child.
No, Igwe! Igwe, no! I can't, Igwe. She's a witch and she has to pay for it, Igwe. She's a witch. She killed her only son. She killed her child, Igwe!
Can I beg for you?
Are you sure? Beg for your own.
Okay.
I hope that Gary will still have it.
Mama, I will do this tomorrow.
I will drink my own today.
What are we going to eat tomorrow?
The gods of our land will provide.
That's fine. What are we going to eat tomorrow?
Honest God, what have you come to do in my home? I hope all is well. Eh? I hope we are safe.
Jigwe ordered us to bundle you down to the palace now.
Bundle? What have I done? How can you come me?
What has my mother done to you?
Eh?
You can be qualified when you go to the palace. Let's go.
Let's go.
Mweke, your co-wife, Adaku, said you are a witch. That you killed a newborn baby with your witchcraft. Now answer me. Are you a witch?
Igwe, I am confused here. I don't think I understand what you're saying. I killed who?
Answer me. Are you a witch? Remember, if you say the truth and accept your evil deeds, a lesser punishment can be given to you, with the promise that if you ever repeat it again, you should be killed. But if you keep denying it and the oath is taken and you are found guilty, one judgment awaits you: death. Now answer me for the last time. Are you a witch or not?
Igwe, I am not a witch. Nweke is not a witch.
It's alright.
Yes! My mother is not a witch.
Now till tomorrow, when the priest of our deity will take her on her oath swearing ceremony. Until then, she remain a prisoner. Take her away!
Hey, Uchimo! Hey! Gods of our land! Gods of our land! I know you will not be silent on me! Hey! Hey! Oh, my daughter, please stop crying. Just go home. Oh? Go home and sleep.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Will I leave you for Mama?
My daughter, I am the prisoner, not you. I am the prisoner. Just go home and sleep. Go home and sleep. The gods are seeing me. They are taking care of me. Go home and sleep. You know?
I can't sleep. I can't sleep. When my mother is tired of me, I can't sleep.
Just go home. I know the gods of our land. They will see me through. They will vindicate me at the breaking of the day. Because my hands are clean. I am innocent. Hey, gods of our land. I am innocent.
But Mama, I want you. Mama, I want you, but you refuse, Mama. I want you not to go and sit down, Mama. No, baby. Mama, you wouldn't listen to me. Mama, now look at us. Look at us, now look at you.
Don't worry. Don't worry. The gods are watching. Yes, they are watching. They see me here suffering. And they will not keep silent. They will come to my rescue. Let's go home.
Woman, you have a chance to confess your evils. Your sins be forgiven to you. Your punishment be made lesser. For the last time, are you ready to swear with this offer? And the water of life drawn from Ini Edo River, that you are not a witch.
I am not a witch. I am innocent. I have no hand in the death of Adako's child.
Hey, liar!
Enough, woman. Allow the deity to pronounce who is the liar between the two of you. Enough!
May I remind you, woman, that if you are lying and you decide to drink out of the water of life, the result is instant death. For the last time, are you a witch?
I am not a witch.
Then,
I am not a witch.
Then, drink out of that water.
Drink, woman! Drink! Drink, you're wasting time! Drink!
You see, I am innocent. Because of our land have vindicated me. I am innocent.
Yes! Good. Grab that woman and her husband for accusing an innocent woman. Grab them and lock them up. Lock them up.
Hey, because of our land, you will always rescue me because of our land. Hey, my hands are clean.
Mama. 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 Hey! Village asshole! My mama! Hey! Mama! Village
The gods have finally vindicated the both of you. Not long after that evil woman and her daughter left this palace. After swearing an oath before our ancestral offer and drinking the water of life, we got a report that she died on reaching her house.
Yes! I said it! I knew it! That she was envious of me and my husband, but they won't believe me. See now, it has happened. She has always been envious of us. Because they don't have a farmland, and we have a lot of farmland. She does not even have a son, that is why.
It's okay, that is alright, Adako. Mas Yokoro, take your wife home and comfort her. Justice has prevailed.
Thank you very much, Igwe. We shall be taking our leave. Thank you.
I wish you left. I saw that dead. She's a witch.
What do you want from me? You've killed my mother. What do you want from me?
Dikeh commanded us to throw our body into the evil forest and then banish you from this kingdom. You are evil. You have the blood of a witch in you.
My mother was never a witch. My mother was never a witch. You killed my mother.
Shut up. Let's take her. You are coming with us now. Now listen, you can find yourself any kingdom of your choice. Any day you are found in any part of Umeke kingdom, it will be the last day of your life. Because the Igwe have ordered us to kill you that day.
If you know what is good for you, don't ever stop your foot at Umeke. Goodbye.
You shall.
How did it go?
Her body has been thrown into the evil forest and we set her daughter out of our kingdom.
Oh, that is good. That is very good. Now go back to your post.
Igwe.
What evil have we committed? Because of our land. Are you people sleeping or what? Since I was born into this world, I have not known any peace. I have only known suffering. My father died when I was very young, and since then, I've been suffering, eating from hand to mouth with my mother. Now she's dead. I am left alone here. Kill me. Kill me. I want to die. I want to kill myself. I want to kill myself.
These are the 2 new slaves.
Yes. I hope they will not disappear one day, because I do not have the strength of moving about looking for my slaves here and there.
No. These ones, they can't even locate their kingdom.
Yes.
They don't have anywhere to go to. I found them at the Iba forest. You know where Iba is? 3 kingdoms away from here.
Yes.
So they don't even know where to go to. Eh? Cows now.
What? What is your name?
My name is Orochi.
And you?
My name is Osisachi.
Dochi, Osisachi. Well, if you behave well, I will return both of you with me. I just need somebody to run errands for me. I am not a wicked man at all. But if you want to play smartness, I will sell you off to the white men that buy African slaves. Do you understand? Rise, get up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Who are you and what brought you here?
My name is Odoche. I'm from Umeke Kingdom. My mother was accused of a witchcraft and was killed by our Igwe, and I was banished out of my kingdom. I've lived in Igbo forest for 2 years before those men got me.
My name is Osisachi. I don't know my mother, I don't know my father. According to what I was told, I was kidnapped 3 years ago by slave traders. And since then, I've been sold from one slave master to another.
Yeah.
In this life, some people are born to suffer, while some are born to reign.
And the sufferings of some are more grievous than others.
I can see it written all over your face. So we lost the battle again. Come on, strong.
It is obvious that we are cursed, Father. How? I lost 50 men. 50 warriors, Father, to ordinary Umuakirika. Umuakirika, Father. No! No!
That is bad enough. Very, very bad. But don't worry, son. Some days are like that.
No, Father. I disagree. I disagree, Father. I am the greatest warlord amongst the 7 kingdoms. The greatest! No king, no warrior, no prince dares my prowess or battle skills. None whatsoever. Now, I have lost my prestige. I have lost my fear factor. I have lost my respect amongst the kingdoms. I lost 2 battles before now. And now I have lost another. To lowly Umuakirika. The least of them all.
I know your pain. And I'm in pain too. But just calm down, my son. Calm down. Get yourself something to eat. Then we can...
No, Father. I will not eat. I will not drink. Neither will I sleep until I find out why the gods have deserted us.
Gods of our land. What have I done? What is my offense? Please, my ancestors, come to my rescue. Please, come to my rescue.
Ugiri dandam, ugiri dandam wana mogu, ugiri dandam. Uko pasi ya gecheze, ugiri dandam. Maneza da kwa, ugiri dandam. Obusi ya gecheze, ugiri dandam. Maneza da gwoge, ugiri dandam. Njasi ya gecheze, ugiri dandam. Maneza de pempe, ugiri dandam.
Yes. The gods are angry with you, your father, and the entire people of Umweke Kingdom. Evil was committed and covered. Until you appease the gods, you will continue to lose battles.
What evil do you speak of, Chief Priest?
A certain virgin was buried alive by your grandfather. She pleaded for her life, but he will not give her a listening ear. Her spirit has risen against you, your father, and the entire kingdom of Umweke. Until you appease her spirit, you will continue to lose battles and men.
Ugiri dandam, ugiri dandam, obusi ya gecheze, ugiri dandam, maneza da gwoge, ugiri dandam.
You see, my father and my grandfather made a lot of sacrifices in those days. I want to know which one in particular the Dibia is referring to.
He said the virgin girl was pleading for her life, but your father refused to give her a listening ear.
See, my son, I think what we should be concerned about now is how to appease the spirit of that virgin girl. Digging into who she was or how she was killed will lead us to nowhere. So, I think we should look for a way to appease her spirit. That is the most important thing I think we should do.
For 7 days, you should be sacrificing 7 virgin lambs on a grave. On the 8th day, I will perform the final cleansing ritual on a graveside. There and then, you and the entire people of Umweke Kingdom shall be free from our curse.
And how do I identify virgin lambs?
Every husbandman knows his flocks in and out, and the flocks know him. Go and do the needful, and regain your prestige as the best warrior that has ever come out of the 7 kingdoms that made up Accusation. Go.
How do you differentiate a virgin lamb from one that is not? Or is he talking of a baby lamb?
Father, from what he said, it was obvious he was not talking about a baby lamb, but a full-grown lamb that has not mated before.
It's all right, my son. The only thing that has no solution is death. There must be a way around it. We must find a way.
For what reason did the king request my humble presence? I'll be delighted to grant my king's request.
I was told you are the best shepherd in the whole of Accusation kingdom.
I'm delighted to hear that from the king's mouth.
My question to you is, how does one know a lamb that is fully grown but has not mated before?
When the sheep are kept in a closed sheepfold, it could be easy to detect one that has never mated before. But when they are left to wander about in the field, that is when it becomes difficult. Okay.
I need 7 lambs that are fully grown but has not mated before.
I'll make them available, Your Majesty.
And I will be delighted to pay you whatever it costs.
Thank you. I beg to take you.
You're welcome.
Today is the 7th day. I have completed the sacrifice of the 7 virgin lambs at the gravesite that you showed me 7 days ago.
Good. Go back to the palace. But tomorrow, at the 3rd cry of the cock, arise and meet me at the gravesite for the final cleansing rituals.
Of what use will my presence be there, when I am not the one responsible for her death?
You were the one. I inquired, and the hidden things were revealed to you. You will stand in for your grandfather at the gravesite. You and the entire people of Umweke Kingdom are free from the curse of the innocent virgin girl. Go in your might and strength and conquer all kingdoms as you normally do. Go.
Thank you,
wise one. Thank
you. Igwe, this is a slap on our face. And I will not take it lightly, Odo. I will not take it lightly. In the whole of Accusation, comprising of 7 kingdoms, situated in this part of the earth, no king has ever dared me. I can do more for. Make use of that farmland, this farming season again, when they actually know it is our turn to do so. That is nonsense and I will not take it.
Igwe,
I think we are beginning to lose value from other kingdoms. Since Umuakrika defeated us in a battle, nobody dressed us again.
They defeated us because of the cause. Thank the gods, the cause and the council. I will show Umuafo why I am called Igwe Ophelioba I of Umueke. The only Igwe that challenged the wise men and they fled from my kingdom. I will show them.
Father, I do not understand.
Umuafo sent their farmers to that jointly owned land this farming season again to farm when they know it's our turn to do so. Umuafo have no regards for us any longer. We have lost our fear and respect. So, I want us to gain that fear and respect back.
Omalicha is my bosom friend. I will.
What has friendship got to do with the insult meted on us by their kingdom? What?
Father, let me talk to him. Let me talk to Omalicha. I will tell him to warn his father to cease from looking for trouble. Else...
You are the one that have patience for that. I don't. I am sure it's because we lost that battle against the Umuakrika people. That's what gave Umuafo the audacity to think of trampling on our rights. I want us to fight them. I want us to fight them so we can gain our fear and respect back.
Father, let me speak to him first. Although I admit he has been behaving kind of strange lately, I will speak with him. Please. I came to have a word with you because of the respect I have for our friendship. Tell your father, the king of Umuafo Kingdom, to call back the farmers he sent to the land jointly owned by Umuafo and the Umueke Kingdom. We farmed there last season. This season is our turn. There is no need to look for trouble.
Well, what my father did was for the interest of his people. Everybody knew what happened last season. There was no rain, drought everywhere. So we couldn't make anything out of the harvests. And my father decided to take the land for this season. Next season, you and your people can have it.
Decided. Decided. It is not in your father's place to make such a decision. If such a decision should be made, it should be made by my father, and that is after your father has begged my father, because it is not your father's right.
Well, my father is also a monarch. As such, he has the right to make such decisions.
Excuse you, we're not talking about hierarchy here. We're talking about an agreement.
Well, if this is why you called me, I'm sorry there's nothing I can do.
Omalicha. Are you pushing me to war?
Have you lost the memory of your last deal to Africa? If they can pull you down, how much more? We cannot go back.
I've never been humiliated like this. Nobody does that to me just because I respect our friendship. It's not enough reason for praise. Omalicha to stop down on me. Reflecting upon what happened in the past against myself. And the God, because He's blessed, I'm going to do with you.
If Umuakrika that are very small and weak can defeat Prince Udo, what makes you think we cannot?
My prince, things are like that. Let us not build on what happened in Umueke. Remember, Umueke remains the strongest kingdom we used to know. You have to think about it, my prince.
What do you suggest we do?
Losing our men in something like this is not worth it. I suggest we go by dialogue. Let the two kings sort themselves out. That land has been there. It will still remain there till the day we will die. I suggest we forget about it, so that our men will not just die like that.
No. That is cowardice. Take your men. Go after Prince Indo. If the fight gets sore, you know how to flee. Then we can afford to let them have the land. But go and fight first. We can't shy away from his threats. Real men do not run away from their problems. They face their problems. Go! Take your men and do as I have commanded. Now go!
Tomorrow is the day, Father. The day. Tomorrow is the day that I will take back all that we have lost. The gods. May the gods save the people of Umuafa. Because the wrath I'm about to rain down on them. None of their men shall escape my sword.
I'm happy to hear this, son. Thanks to the gods, the curse has been broken. Go and do that which you are known for. Umuafa should not trample on our rights and go scot-free.
Never.
May the gods of our land and the spirit of our ancestors be with you as you embark on this mission. I told you! I am so happy. Today, history has been made.
My prince, we almost killed all of his men. He managed to escape with his closest three. With a deep cut, my prince.
This calls for celebration. That Prince Indo the Warlord has been defeated by the warriors of Umuafa Kingdom.
I am sure Prince Indo has something to explain to the gods of his fathers. Can you imagine? They couldn't even raise their shoulders on us. It's obvious the gods of his father is against him.
Let it be told on the mountain tops. Let the maidens sing for joy. And let the men dance and merry. Today, great giants of Ochasasa has been defeated by the warriors of You have done well. Well done.
I can't believe this. What? I can't believe this. It is very, very obvious that the gods are against us. Hey. We could not even raise a finger against them. My men were falling left, right, and center. But the chief priest has shown that the cause has been broken. Well, But you better start talking when I get to that shrine. Else, Father, else
Don't bother yourself, my son. Just sit here. I'm going to send the maidens to come and clean you up and take care of your wound. I will go and see the chief priest myself. Just sit here. I'm sending them over to you now.
And send for the herbalist, please.
Hey!
Your Majesty, you shouldn't have left your throne.
Why should I sit and watch the white fire consume me right on my throne? It is only a tree that will hear of being cut down and will still remain where it is. Every man will run for his dear life.
What is it? Why are you here?
The battle with Umafo was worse than the last one. I lost virtually all my men. Oh, what a shame. What a disaster. What a calamity. What is my offense? What have I done to the gods, Ezedibia? What have I done?
But the curse was broken.
Are you asking me or you are telling me? I should be asking you that question.
Your Majesty, the curse was not broken in totality.
What do you mean by that? Eh?
Three virgins, 3 innocent maidens were murdered unjustly. You were able to appease one. The remaining 2 are grieved with you and the entire kingdom of Umweke.
So what are we going to do? What are we going to do about that?
Your Majesty, I shall find their graveside. We shall repeat the same cleansing ritual. 14 sheep will be used, 1 per day. At the end of the 14th day, I shall carry out the cleansing in your palace. Then the wrath of the gods shall be taken away from you and the entire kingdom from where.
Allow me, Father. Allow me, and I will thrust this spear into his abdomen for letting me lose vibrant men for nothing. Allow me, and I will cut his head off from his neck for letting me lose my respect, my fear in all of what you see, sir.
Let your anger subside, my son. Because if you act in anger, a lot of things will damage. Please, I beg you. Please.
Father, do you know that we are defenseless as it stands?
I know.
Completely defenseless.
I know.
No army, no men. Wait. Any kingdom that decides to attack us now will kill us all. We will all die at their hands like chickens. Where do I start to raise another army? Where do I start to raise men? Mighty men? Warriors! Where do I start?
Let's start by completing the rituals first. Then we will look for the whole of the kingdom. I'm sure there are still able-bodied men in this kingdom who can fight and defend this kingdom. I know. We'll get them.
What is carelessness?
Hey. Why, Okoro, my husband? Okoro, my husband, why did you leave me? Why did you leave me like that? Why?
It's okay. It's okay, hold your breath. Please. What happened has happened. Do you want to hurt yourself? Stop doing this, please.
First, it was my son who died in the hands of that witch. A year later, my second son died. Now it's my husband, Okoro.
It's okay.
Why is death so cruel to me? Am I the only woman? Am I the only woman?
Please hold yourself.
Am I the
Please. It's okay. Just sit. Please, okay. Just sit, okay? Please. Stop doing this now. Sit. Please. It's okay. It's not only your husband. Even some of our warriors died. Even our prince Undu sustained some injury. Listen to me. I just want you to comfort yourself. It's not just only in your family. Don't ever think it's just in your family. It's okay. It's okay. Stop. It's okay. Amaka, my sister.
Machi, one name.
Hey, what is our fate in this kingdom?
Machi, if you ask me, who will I ask, Machi?
The last time it was Umakereka beating us in a war. Now, Umweke beating our warriors, killing them. But something is wrong somewhere.
The dreaded kingdom of Ochiasa, even the 7 kingdoms that lives together, they now become the prey of all. Can you imagine that?
Sister. Hey. Sisters, now, our life is in danger. This kingdom, we are in danger. Another kingdom might rise up against us tomorrow. And for the fact we don't have warriors to defend us, we will fall victims of slavery in this village. I'm scared.
Chugwaju, Machi, don't say that. The gods of our land, come and rescue us. Come and help us.
Okay, let's go.
I'm so scared.
I'm scared.
Where are we running to?
Let's leave this place first. Once we step our foot on any kingdom, then from there we cannot decide on where to stay.
Once we enter any place and our identity is not known, looking at our heads, they will still use us for slaves. It's not better we go back to our masters. After all, he has been good to us.
We have served him for 2 years. I am tired of living and answering to a slave. I want to live a normal life, but that's our fate.
That's our destiny. We have to suffer till we die.
Let's leave this place first. Let's leave. Let's leave.
Who are you people and where are you coming from?
Please, don't hurt my sister and I. Please, we're innocent. Please.
Where are you from and where are you from? Slaves.
Slaves trying to run away from your masters. Just follow us peacefully and you shall be saved.
Please, we will follow you gently. Please, don't harm us.
And here, you listen. One more wrong move from any of you will cut off your heads. Now move.
Let's go. Move.
We bring slaves for you to buy. You. Hey. So, all the good things I've been doing for both of you,
I gave you food. I gave you water. You have freedom. I do everything possible to make you happy, to help you. You still have the mind to run away from me.
Please forgive us, sir. We won't do it again.
Please, don't do it, please.
They are your slaves? They are my slaves. Oh. I've been looking for them since morning. They left. They said they were going to get firewood. I didn't see them. I didn't see the firewood until you brought them here now. Anyway, no problem. No problem. I am going to teach you. I will let you know how slaves are handled.
We are sorry they happen to be your slaves, but where we got them is very far, so you have to pay us.
Mother, look what I've come into. Look at me. Why do you leave me alone this wicked world, Mother? Mother, why? Mother, so you're still alive?
My daughter, wipe your tears. The gods are watching. They are watching.
Arise, my son. The cleansing exercise starts today. The virgin lamps are complete.
I'm still mourning my men. I cannot go anywhere now.
You cannot continue this way, my son. The deed has been done. What should be important now is the way forward. How to raise new warriors before another kingdom strike and we all die.
Father, go ahead and perform the rituals with the chief priest. I do not want to see him, because I may kill him if I do.
It's okay, my son. I've heard you.
Your Majesty, today is the 16th day of this exercise. Having completed the cleansing ritual with 14 sheep, I stand here to declare to you and the people of Umueke free from the curse of the 3 virgin girls. Go and regain all you have lost.
Thank you, the wise one. believe we still have young, vibrant, able-bodied men in this kingdom. Go, search every family, and anyone that refuses to join the warriors, after being selected and found worthy, should be killed. We need to groom new warriors. You are highly gifted in the heart, highly skilled with the sword. Teach these new ones the way you taught the old ones. And I am sure in no distant time, you will raise mighty warriors that will defend this kingdom.
I have heard you, Father. I will get to work immediately.
Good.
Father.
Please. I don't want anything to happen to you. You are all I've got after our parents' death. Please, Afam. If the prince sees you now, he will want you to join the warriors. And I don't want that. Because the men are scarce in this village. Eh? Pico, you need to go to your mother's place. Go to your mother's place and stay.
Sister, Sister, I've heard you. I've heard you.
Okay.
But I can join the warriors. I can join them.
Joining which warriors? Then you give me warriors. Afam, this kingdom has been cursed. Yes. Any battle we engaged in now, we must definitely lose. Yes. Have you not heard that woman, Krika? No, killed our men. Our warriors, for that matter. See, you joining the warriors simply means you sacrificing your life on the altar of death. Please understand me now.
Sister, but we need warriors. I mean, we need warriors to defend our community. I mean, our kingdom from external oppressors.
Afam, we need men. We need men, but definitely not you. Not you, Afam. Other families should provide their own children. What is your problem? You're leaving to our mother's place right now. Right now, Afam.
Sister, right? You mean now?
I mean now. Kita, you're leaving to our mother's place. Now. Go. Afam, go.
You have succeeded in raising a lot of young blood who are ready to give their lives for this kingdom and could go on to become great warriors. I have a belief that very soon we will regain all that we have lost. Which one of you went to Machi's house to fetch Afam?
My prince.
Or have you told him to meet us with the new set of recruits at Ebweda Valley for training and noon?
My prince, I went there as early as possible, but was told by Machi that Abra no longer stays with her.
What?
My prince, there is a rumor that Machi sent Afam away by night to her maternal home for the fear of losing him to you as one of the new warriors.
Are you sure of this?
Very sure, my prince.
Please, have mercy on me. I don't know where my brother is. My prince, please, I'm begging you, leave me alone.
I ask you for the last time. Where is your brother, Afam?
I don't know where my brother is. I swear by the gods of this land. I don't know where my brother is, please.
You have decided to lie to me. Bring her.
My prince, please. My prince, please. My prince. Leave me alone. My prince, please.
Fast.
Thank you.
Machi, is this how hard-hearted you have become? You've been here for 3 days and 3 nights, and yet you refuse to divulge the whereabouts of your brother.
Prince, I know nothing about my brother's whereabouts. Why would I lie to you? My brother is old enough to do what he wants. I have no plans in his disappearance.
Very well. Adema, you are of no use to me here. I will not gain anything from keeping you here. Since you have refused to tell me where your brother can be found, I will let you go. But know ye that from today henceforth, I have my eyes on you.
Thank you, my
Do
prince.
not thank me. Don't.